What if the most scalable food business you could start from home didn't require a commercial kitchen build-out, a cafe lease, or daily perishables? Just clean ingredients, a grinder, a dehydrator, airtight packaging, and trust. In this video, I'm revealing 10 high-demand food powders that real buyers are already searching for in 2026. What to make, who buys, how to package and label, and how to keep quality consistent so you earn repeat orders. This is about shelf-stable, lightweight, high-value products that ship easily, blend into daily rituals, and turn a spare room into a micro-food lab with discipline and documentation. Start with the champion of daily habits, electrolyte hydration powder. Clean label blends, sodium, potassium, magnesium, a touch of glucose, sea salt, and natural flavors. Serve runners, gym goers, and busy professionals. Keep it simple. No artificial dyes, balanced sodium to potassium ratio, and clear mix instructions per 500 milliliters or 1 liter. Offer sample sachets for first-time buyers, and list exact milligrams per serving on a clear supplement-style panel. Buyers love honesty and taste that's subtle, not syrupy. Next, greens and super greens powders for smoothies. Dehydrate or source pre-dried spinach, kale, moringa, wheatgrass, and spirulina. Then blend for a clean, earthy profile that doesn't taste like lawn clippings. The winning angle is clarity, single origin ingredients, low temperature drying, and batch test results for heavy metals if you can source them. Offer daily half-serving sachets for travelers and subscription refills in 250-gram pouches for home routines. People want convenience they can believe in. Protein coffee and latte boosters are surging with creators and commuters. Think microfiltered whey, isolate or plant proteins, pea, rice, paired with collagen and a touch of coconut milk powder for creaminess. The secret is solubility and texture, no chalkiness, no clumping, flavor with natural vanilla, cacao, or cinnamon. Your buyers are office workers, gym goers, and content creators who want protein without a blender. Sell in 15-serving tins and 5-stick on-the-go trials. Whole food fruit powders, strawberry, blueberry, banana, turn yogurt, oatmeal, and baking into flavor bombs without added sugar. The crowd pleaser is freeze-dried strawberry powder, bright color, real fruit aroma, kid approved, label clearly. 10 grams powder equals 100 grams fresh fruit equivalent, example ratio, and show suggested uses on pack. Bakers, smoothie lovers, and parents will reorder if your color and flavor stay consistent, batch to batch. Golden milk and anti-inflammatory latte blends combine turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper for absorption, and optional coconut milk powder. Your buyers are wellness-focused adults who prefer evening routines over caffeine. Keep turmeric quality high, test small for taste balance, and include a hot water plus milk option on the label. Offer caffeine-free and a chai-tilted variant. Photograph a rich, foamy mug under warm light. This category sells on comfort as much as function. Functional mushroom powders. Lion's mane for focus, reishi for calm, cordyceps for endurance, demand rigor. Source from reputable suppliers with COAs. Clarify whether extracts or whole fruiting bodies are used, and avoid mushroom mycelium on grain blends that underdeliver. Buyers are label readers. Offer single ingredient tins and a focus blend with lion's mane plus cacao for morning routines. A QR code to ingredient testing info builds trust fast. Savory broth and umami seasoning powders are the unsung heroes. Slow dehydrated vegetable broth, chicken bone broth, miso shiitake blends, and tomato herb bouillon give home cooks gourmet shortcuts. Keep sodium reasonable. Publish serving equivalents, 1 teaspoon to 250 milliliters broth, and offer low FODMAP or no onion garlic variants for sensitive buyers. Chefs, meal preppers, and soup lovers become monthly subscribers if your flavor is clean and consistent. Plant-based milk bases solve storage and waste. Almond, oat, cashew, and coconut milk powders let customers whisk up a cup on demand without carting cartons. Prioritize smooth dissolution and neutral taste. Clumps kill repeat purchases. Offer barista variants with a small oil component for foam stability if permitted in your region. Label 1 tablespoon, 250 milliliters water, and suggest uses for coffee, cereal, and baking. This category wins on convenience and pantry space. Electrolyte carbohydrate endurance mixes target cyclists, runners, and hikers who need steady fuel. Create a clean blend. Glucose/maltodextrin for quick energy, a touch of fructose for absorption synergy, plus sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Keep flavor light and osmolality friendly, no gut bombs. Provide 1-hour ride, sachets and bulk pouches. Endurance athletes judge by performance. If your mix sits well and tastes clean, they'll reorder for months. Last, baking and beverage enhancers that feel special. Vanilla bean sugar, cinnamon maple latte dust, cacao coconut creamer, and matcha lemonade powder. These aren't meal replacements, they're joy multipliers, perfect for gift sets and seasonal drops. Keep ingredient lists short, flavors balanced, and packaging beautiful. When someone opens your tin and the aroma hits, you've already won the next order. Now let's talk setup, compliance, and trust. Food powders require seriousness. Clean workspace, gloves, hair nets, sanitized equipment, food-safe bins, and documented batch logs. Depending on your country and state, you may need a cottage food permit, a shared commercial kitchen, or co-packing. Always check local regulations. List ingredients by weight, note allergens boldly, provide net weight in grams and ounces, and include best-by dates, plus storage guidance. Cool, dry, airtight. If you import ingredients, keep supplier COAs and traceability records. Trust is your moat. Documentation is your bridge. Packaging is your brand and your shelf life. Use moisture and oxygen barrier pouches, or tins with tamper seals and desiccant packs where appropriate. Keep serving scoops accurate. 5 milliliters and 10 milliliters are common. And print clear mix ratios on the front, not just the back. Include QR codes to a 1-minute how to mix reel and a quality page explaining sourcing and safety. International buyers love clarity. It reduces returns and support messages. Your sales engine is education plus demonstration. Short, satisfying clips of powder, dissolving cleanly in hot or cold liquid, smoothie quick tosses, golden milk foam, and before laughter oatmeal color pops. These visuals convert. Publish honest macros per serving, demonstrate portion sizes, and show 3 use cases per product. Bundle bestsellers into starter kits. Morning Focus, Recovery and Hydration, Baker's Fruit Trio. Offer sample sachet packs so new customers can find their favorite without committing to a full bag. Pricing should reflect value, not just ingredients. You're selling convenience, consistency, and trust. Anchor your prices by comparing per-serving costs to cafes and ready-to-drink options. Keep margin by batching production days. Blend, portion, seal, label, and pack on a fixed cadence. Track scoop accuracy and pouch weights with a simple scale log. Small errors add up. Precision is profit. Your 30-day launch path. Week 1, choose 3 powders with distinct use cases, say hydration, golden milk, and strawberry. Source ingredients with COAs, dial and taste, and finalize labels. Week 2, shoot mix videos and stills, set up a 1-page shop with clear serving sizes and allergen notes, and open pre-orders for a small batch. Week 3, fulfill fast, collect reviews, and ship sample kits to 5 micro-influencers who already talk about routines, not hype. Week 4, add subscriptions with a small discount, publish a sourcing page, and roll out 2 new sachet flavors based on feedback. Food powders are the definition of light, useful, and repeatable. With clean ingredients, disciplined processes, and transparent labeling, a home microfactory can serve real buyers across borders. If you can make it taste great, dissolve cleanly, and arrive beautifully packaged, you won't just make a sale, you'll become part of your customer's daily ritual. That's when a side hustle becomes a brand.